Good morning student and welcome to my English language class. Student, today I am going to explain you about the sentence. What is a sentence? But before explaining the sentence, I want to revise your alphabets. Okay, I will start our lesson with alphabets. As you all know, these are our alphabets. These are our capital letters and these are our small letters. Okay, so when we have to make a word, we make a word with the help of these alphabets. Suppose you have to write a word ball. So how will you make the word ball? You will take B from here, B, then this A, small letter A, and double L, ball. This is the ball. Okay, suppose you want to write boy, so you have to take B from small letter, B, O, this O, and Y. So these letters make a word boy, B-O-Y. When we write B-O-Y together, so it makes a word boy. Okay, and P-L-A-Y, play. To make play, we join here P-L-A-Y. Understand? And for with, W-I-T-H. This is your with. Means I want to explain you when we write letters properly in a right sequence, so we make a word. मतलब with the help of alphabets we make a word. Ball, boy, play, with, है ना? Same, if we will write it properly, all these words, if we write in correct sequence, so we can make a sentence. These are our words. Suppose we have to make a sentence. What we have to do? We have to write all these words in a proper sequence. Okay? To write a sentence, we have to write all the words in a proper sequence. Understand? Now let's see. I will make a sentence with the help of these words. First I will write this boy. Okay, boy, B-O-Y, boy. Because boy is our singular. Here is a verb play, so we will use this verb play. P-L-A-Y. This is our singular, so we will use S with verb. Boy plays, then this with ball, then enlarged ball. And at last we will put here one full stop. Boy plays with ball. Now it is a meaningful sentence. Boy plays with ball. But लड़के गेंद से खेलते हैं. So it is meaningful. So we can say it a sentence. Suppose if I will write like this, so it will Plays with boy ball. Full stop. Now words are same. I used same word, plays with boy ball, and here also all same words, boy plays with ball, but these are in a proper manner, है ना. बट हियर दीज वर्ड्स आर नॉट इन प्रॉपर मैनर, सही तरीके से नहीं लिखे गए हैं, तो इट इज़ आवर मीनिंगलेस. दिस वन इज मीनिंगलेस एंड दिस वन इज, एंड दिस सेंटेंस हैज़ अ मीनिंग, है ना. तो सेंटेंस मीन्स group of words makes complete sense. ठीक है, a group of words which makes complete sense, तो उसे हम कहते हैं sentence. So it is a sentence, but this one is not a sentence because the sequence of the words are not correct. Understand? Now, and one more thing, whenever we start our work of sentence, suppose you have to write a sentence, so always start your sentence with capital letter. Understand? And in the end of a sentence we have to put the full stop. Okay, suppose I will write this sentence like this: boy plays with ball. Okay, so this sentence is not correct. Why? Because here when I start my this sentence with boy, so I not write here capital B, and neither I put a full stop here. So this sentence is wrong. Here is grammatical mistake. That mistake is I not used here capital letter capital B, and I not put here one full stop also. Understand? So whenever you write a sentence, always start with a capital letter, and in the end of the sentence you have to put the full stop. Understand? Now here I am writing some more sentence. Okay, now you can see I am writing here few sentence, few words. Milk gives us cow. These are our words. Milk gives us cow. So I have to make a sentence with the help of these four words, and I can write here the also. So how will I start my sentence? Now I will write the cow. Then cow. फिर what the cow is doing? Cow gives. What the cow doing? Cow gives. What gives cow? Cow gives us milk. Understand? Now this is a sentence because it has a meaning. The cow gives us milk, full stop. Suppose I will write it like this. The cow gives us milk. Now is it right? No. This one is correct and this one is incorrect. Why? Why this one is incorrect? Because I not start my sentence with capital letter. Here I put the full stop, but I not start my sentence with capital letter. So it is not correct. Means it is incorrect. The cow gives us milk. This sentence is correct because I start my sentence with capital T and in the end of the sentence I put one full stop also. Understand? So don't forget these two things. Here you can see this is our small t. So this sequence is same of both sentence. दोनों सेंटेंस की सीक्वेंस सेम है, सेम वर्ड्स यूज किए. द काउ gives us milk. But my mistake is I not write here capital T. Understand? So this one is wrong. If we will not write all the words correctly, again it may be incorrect. Suppose I'll write here gives milk us the cow. Again it is wrong because the sequence of words are not correct. We have to write in the beginning the subject जिसके बारे में कहा जा रहा है. Who gives the cow? Or who gives the milk? Cow gives the milk. So we have to write this the cow in the beginning of our sentence. Understand? Now you can see here. Today I gave you work also, which you have to do in your English language notebook. Make separately your language notebook. Understand? And my dear student, you have to use this Hindi notebook. Don't use 4 lines notebook. Use this Hindi notebook. Okay? Now you can see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words makes complete sense. Things to remember. What things you have to remember? You have to remember 2 things which I told you and I written it here. You have to you have to note down this work in your English notebook. Okay? Each sentence begins with a capital letter, as I told you. Number 2, each sentence ends with a full stop. This. Okay? For example, an apple is a fruit. This one is wrong because here this A is not in capital letter. And in second, an apple is a fruit. Here this A is in capital letter. So this one is right and this one sentence is wrong because of capital A. Understand? Now second is There is a lion in the zoo. Again, there is a lion in the zoo. Full stop. Again, this one is wrong and this one is right. Why? Because of this. Here, this is our capital T. है ना, here capital T, but here small t, and here full stop is not here, but in second sentence here is a full stop. That's why this one, second one is the right sentence, but first one is the wrong sentence. It means I want to explain you this thing. Always start your sentence with a capital letter, and in the end of the sentence always put a full stop. Understand? Now I gave you homework also, which you have to do yourself. My question is, write the words in their right order so that they make sensible sentence. Sensible sentence, meaningful sentence. Understand? Are birds there 5? What you have to write? There are 5 birds. And this T you have to write in capital letter. And in the end of the sentence you have to put a full stop. Okay? Now this is your first question, and your second question is here. Rewrite these sentences putting in the capital letters and full stop. Okay, you have to use capital letter and full stop. Number 1, I explain you. Mr. Gill has bought a new motor car. Now you can see here this M is in small letter and no full stop is here. है ना? So when you will write, when you will do this work, you have to write this M with capital letter. Mr. Capital M, then dot. Gill. Gill is the surname of a person. Gill is the surname of a person. It means it is a proper noun. So we will write this proper noun in capital letter. Mr. Gill. M capital of Mr. and G capital of Gill. Mr. Gill has bought a new motor car, then for full stop. Understand? And like this you have to do all these sentence. Now here you can see number 8. New Delhi is the capital of India. Now here New Delhi. New Delhi is the name of our capital. है ना? So it is a proper noun. It is the name of a place. So it is a proper noun. And India, again India is the name of our country, and the name of a country is known as proper noun. This is also a proper noun. So you have to write this New Delhi like this. I told you, capital N, New, and D capital of Delhi is the capital of India. I capital of India. And in the end of the sentence, full stop. Understand? New Delhi is the capital of India. Like this, here are so many proper nouns. So you have to find out the proper nouns also, and those proper nouns you have to start with capital letter. Understand? And my dear student, please ignore the submission date. Okay, thank you student. Bye bye.